Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious salad with romaine lettuce. First, choose fresh romaine hearts that are vibrant green and firm. Next, wash each leaf carefully under cool, running water to remove any dirt or debris. Drying the lettuce completely is crucial for a crisp salad. Use a salad spinner or gently pat the leaves with paper towels. This initial preparation ensures your salad has the best texture and flavor. Once your romaine is clean and dry, chop it into bite-sized pieces, ideally 1 inch to 1.5 inches. This size is perfect for easy eating and mixing. Now, let's build the base. Incorporate colorful vegetables like halved cherry tomatoes, thinly sliced cucumbers, and diced bell peppers. For an extra layer of flavor, a small amount of thinly sliced red onion can add a delightful sharpness to your salad. To make your romaine salad a complete meal, consider adding a protein source. Grilled chicken, roasted chickpeas, or sliced hard-boiled eggs are excellent choices. For texture and flavor, sprinkle in some crunchy croutons and a generous amount of shredded Parmesan cheese. Don't forget healthy fats. A handful of walnuts or pecans can provide a satisfying richness and additional nutrients to your vibrant salad. The final step is dressing your salad. Choose your favorite vinaigrette or a creamy dressing and add it sparingly at first. You can always add more, but you can't take it away. Gently toss all the ingredients together until everything is evenly coated. Serve immediately for the freshest taste and crispest texture. Remember to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book about money, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.